I'm up in Michigan, and I guess we can see that Detroit's written down here. That's where all of the population is, down in the corner. I'm way up in the opposite direction with a resort area up in northern Michigan where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. It's a great place. We love it here. The water in the wood and the shape of the wood means that I probably won't be able to get the speed of the lathe up. I want to get the speed of the lathe up for two reasons. One, in the early stages when I have four corners running around here, I want to get the speed up so that the air spaces go by quickly, and it's really fast and easy to hog off and to make it round, and to get it round when the speed is fast. If I have to put it on a geographical center point and it's out of balance, I have the speed low, and then there's a tonka thing, and tonka is not fun, it's not safe, it's not easy, I don't want to go there. So I want to get the speed of the lathe up really fast in the early stages, and I want the speed of the lathe up again at the later stages when I'm making my final cut across the surface and I'm going to have to sand what I left behind. I need the speed of the lathe fast and the pace of the tool going across the surface slowly. So with those two things, I get a better, cleaner cut. So I want to get the speed of the lathe up. That means I want to get on a balance point. So promote it on your social media, if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here, and we'll see you in a few weeks.